My heart is full of gratitude as you gather for this National Exit Conference. For the past few years, you did not just practice medicine. You chose to live out its highest calling. You traveled to the edges of our archipelago, to the far-flung, the hard-to-reach, and the often forgotten, to ensure that no Filipino is left behind when it comes to their health.
Hindi po madali ang pinagdaanan ninyo. Alam ko dahil galing din po ako sa Municipal Health Office. This spirit of service is the very heartbeat of the Doctors of the Barriers program. A legacy established in 1993, the DPTV has served as a critical cornerstone of the nation's pursuit of health, equity, and developmental change. Serve with humility, with love and compassion in action, with a goodwill to do good and a goodwill to serve wherever you are. Power comes from self-restriction. Seen in an open space, you just simply scatter in different directions. Seen contained in an engine can move a whole train. Success comes from one-pointedness and constancy of aim and effort.
This exit conference we pioneered this exit conference back then. So, very thankful na until now, patuloy yung tradition of doing the exit conference now in its third year. And it's getting better, it's getting bigger. We're learning more and more from these different DPTVs.
Na napakaganda ng kanilang mga sinishare. And I know one day, you will have your story as well to share.
I have this very strong, trust in our health system, no matter how broken it is. I trust the health system enough to entrust my child sa health system natin.
Ang pinagkit doon sa mga yung lampara. Tapos kung hindi lampara, isusumo mo yung cellphone mo, nakailaw doon sa nakasilay doon sa puwerta ng nanay habang nagpapaanak ka. So, ganun kahirap.
Okay naman na siguro, pero it was like really the best 3 years of my life na sobrang dami kong natutunan and I'm sure it was the same for you.
Carry with you what the DPTV program has shaped in you. You live the program, but the program does not live you. Your commitment, your resilience, and your integrity. You are truly Mahiwaga, Batch 40.
Let us continue working until those in the farthest corners of our nation are no longer waiting, but are at the very center of our care and our priority. Mag-ingat po kamugabos. Padayon, mabuhay po kayong lahat. Diyos mabagas.